In this video, I will demonstrate how to format text boxes in Google Slides. So let's go back to our slideshow that we have already started to create. I put in a little bit of information into one of the text boxes. So what we want to do here is normally when you come into a Google slideshow, you need to pick the area that you want to work in, because you're going to notice there's nothing here that will let us do anything with our text. But if we choose a text box, then all of a sudden all of our options for our text will become available. And you're going to want to be in this area right here, is pretty much where you'll do most of your adjusting. So if you're used to Google Docs, this is very similar and is almost exactly the same as if you were working with a Google Doc. If you say you want to change this right here, you see this up here, this is your thing, but you want to change the font size, you can click on it just like you would in Google Docs, and you can change your font size by just pushing down, and you can decide what size fonts you want. If you want a capital, if you want a bold or italicize or underline, the B for bold, I for italicize, U for underline. If you want to change font size, click on the A with the color on the bottom of it, the bar, and you can choose any color you would like to change the sign to. If you want to change the actual font, you can click on right there and you can change your font to anything you would like to see different on that slide. When you change it, it only changes in the text box you're dealing with. It won't change anything else. So just remember that if you want to keep it uniform, you kind of want to stay with the font that they have, or change it, you'll change it one by one. So that is how you will change text and manipulate text in Google Slides.